Hi everyone, welcome to the 3 Minute Math YouTube channel where we go to solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from the 2000 AMC 8, question 6. Figure ABCD is a square. Inside the square, 3 smaller squares are drawn with the side length as labeled. The area of the L-shaped region is... So what we can do is, we can solve this through two ways. We can find the entire... This is really one good way to solve it. So you can take the entire area of the square, subtract out the smaller square, subtract out these two smaller squares, and then divide by 2, and